Welcome everyone on the channel. We will make a jet water pump today. So guys, stay with me. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe my channel. Now we need 3 syringes, 2 small and 1 big, empty cans, 1 motor, bicycle spoke, and pen refill. Let's start. Now we mark the syringe and hold it. Please subscribe my channel. Now start the another syringe. Please subscribe my channel. Cut the syringe to shape it. Now the syringe rubbed with sandpaper. If you don't understand anything, please comment. Cut the head of the syringe. Now I use super glue to stick it. Now apply some glue for the water does not get out. Then other syringe adjust there. Now mark the empty can for making propeller. Cut the can well. Now I use drill machine to hold it. If there are no drill machines, you can see it from my channel. It's good to rub it well. Create a nice propeller. Now mark it to make a good propeller. Cut it well. telescope and the propeller. Mark the foam and cut it for the motor. Cut the pin refill to adjust the motor and the propeller. Apply some glue to make it strong. And also current tape. Now check it, how fast it is running. I use adapter to run it. We need some water for test. You can see it's work good. You can see this, guys, the water is so good, get out. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment and share, and must subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.